Hey y'all, this is a Patreon lesson I did back in June. I'm just sharing you like a little speed up version of it, or sharing with you, sharing you. We're starting to to talk like we do on the internet, like we chat on the internet, aren't we? Just leaving out all the beautiful extra words that make things sound nice. Anyway, the page has changed even since this video, so you probably could see it in like a flip I've done, or if not, I'll eventually flip it and show it to you. But I just wanted to share this speed video with you. If you want to go over to my Patreon, you can sign up as a free member and you can actually watch the full lesson. And you can also pay what you can and become a member, and that basically supports me to be able to keep doing this kind of stuff. And if I get enough people who do that, they make it I hate why can I just not like get rid of take it out of my vocabulary, and then I would stop saying it all the time. If I have enough people who are doing that, then I can even just start putting lessons out onto YouTube again, which is really my ultimate goal and what I would like to do. So yeah, if you can, head over to Patreon, support me if you can. If not, just enjoy the free content, and maybe it'll inspire you and get you to making something if you haven't been, or maybe make you think a little bit different about all those magazine images, that you might be tossing away, but could be really great fodder for your collage, or for your art journal. Collage fodder for your art journal. I'm going back to making art now. I'll see you later.